guys, so today I'm going to be doing my lovely model's hair. We're going to be doing some holiday styles. Look at her hair. Her hair is great. It's amazing. So let's get into it, guys. So first things first, I am going to start sectioning her hair. I'm going to take the top half. Yup, take it, start pulling it up into that high pony. I love a high pony. So just keep like, you know, it's okay to like rake your fingers through as you do the ponytail. So just keep working it, getting everything up. And I'm slowly just taking everything that's in the front half of her hair. Of course, I'm always gonna be bringing hair up more and more. And yes, I'm just putting hair to the front because I gotta make the scene look good, you know what I mean? So now I love tossing hair around. I'm gonna take one of her locks, bam, and I'm gonna wrap it around. Looks amazing. I love tying people's hair with their locks because it's just so much stronger. Then go ahead and knot it into like a little nice little shoelace knot. Bam, done. Looks amazing. All right. So first, I already have her hair in the high ponytail, and now I'm gonna start to bring it up, and then I'm gonna kind of start turning everything towards me, and I'm just folding it until bam, it hits the bottom. Looks amazing. As you can see, the fold is really, really important because that's really what's gonna help you shape your bun. And then of course you take your 3-inch pins and start pinning it into place because it looks amazing. Look at her, killing it. Oh, she looks so fabulous. Yes, with the wine. Okay, now what am I doing? Ooh, I'm getting some retwist oil. I'm gonna make her hair smell amazing. Yes, she looks so good, guys. Take your retwist oil, go ahead and drop it on that bun so that bun smells amazing. I'm using the Peppermint Rose today. Yes, and her hair smells just as good as she looks. Next up, we have style number 2. We're gonna be doing an inverted French braid, which is one of my favorite styles. It's gonna be going across the front of her hair. So first things first is let's grab those locks and start bringing them back and then forward. So you see how I grab one, bring it forward, grab another one, take it around back, and then bring it forward. Take the piece, bring it around back, bring it forward. Take another lock, bring it around back, bring it forward. And that's really what's gonna help shape the look of the inverted French braid. So again, I'm taking a lock, throwing it around the back of the style and bringing it forward. I really, really love this style. It's really, really elegant. Again, taking one of my locks, bringing it back, and then moving it forward. So it's really creating that nice height on that braid. Again, I'm gonna take my lock, bring it forward and then, or back and then forward. Again, where's my finger? Okay, let me grab a lock. Yes, I got one. Back and then forward. Back and then forward. It's just a really simple motion. Each time I'm just going behind what I'm doing and then bringing it to the front. So I'm going behind my lock, grabbing it, bringing it forward. Yes, I'm really getting the pattern down. It's looking really, really amazing. I'm loving it. Yes. And you see how I'm grabbing with my left hand and everything is just holding all of that in one, and really my right hand is doing everything. That helps to keep the shape. Ooh, another angle. Okay, guys, I'm bringing it back and then moving it forward. Grabbing it, moving it back, forward again, grabbing it and moving forward. And you can see like it's different than the French braid. It really has more height. It's not as flat as the French braid, which is really what makes the inverted French braid really, really beautiful. I love it. It's just a different variation to a braid. And I mean, who doesn't like different alternatives to braids? Again, I'm just taking my piece, taking my pieces, grabbing it, moving it to the other side and then around front, grabbing it, moving it around front. Yep. Again, ooh, this time I just use the same piece to bring it back and forward. I probably need to just tighten it up a little bit and then bring it down. Yes, take it from the back. Now I'm more in French braid mode because I'm towards the end. So take it, bring it forward, grab one, bring to the other side, and then bring it forward. Nice. It's looking really good. She's looking stunning, guys. I'm loving it. I'm so excited. Yes, that looks beautiful. Grab again, bring it forward. Perfect. Grab again, bring it forward. It's looking really good. Grab. And you can't really see where I'm taking it from, but I'm usually taking it from one side to the other in unison, or in the same line, I should say. Therefore, it's all just really, really even. Look how good she looks. She looks amazing. I love it. Did you love style number 2? I love style number 2. It looks so good. What a great way to still wear your hair down, but be really, really elegant. I mean, she looks regal, guys. She looks stunning. Okay, girl. Yes. Love it. All right, she has her hair out. She looks amazing. What style are we gonna give her? Oh, I know. Let's just think beautiful. Let's grab the back of her hair and let's go ahead and start raking our fingers through. Rake it through, rake it through. Oh, wait, there's locks in my way. Now I'm back to twirling. Swirl, twirl, 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 twirl. And keep twirling. And go ahead and tie it all the way over. Keep twirling. Wrap it around, tuck it in. Oh yeah, nice. I mean, look how clean that looks. It looks amazing. Now let's get our 3-inch pins. Where's my 3-inch pin? Okay, there it is. Okay, I got my 3-inch pin and I'm about to start shaping it. And I love the 3-inch pin because it just goes through the locks. It does what it needs to do. It's my favorite thing. Again, where's my pin? There it is. Bam, everything looks good. Let's move on to bun number 3. Okay? So I did the first thing, the same thing. I'm gonna go ahead and grab all my hair, twirl, 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 and I'm gonna let the twirl guide me, okay? I'm gonna keep twirling and let it just take its mind of its own and create a bun. And I'm really gonna tuck while I go. My left hand is gonna hold the bun down while my right hand is gonna do the tucking, okay? And nice. Again, my 3-inch pin's my favorite. Take that 3-inch and go ahead and just, get it into that bun. You gotta really make sure each time you go, you start pinning it so you don't have to do too much work afterwards. And then bam, I got my next one. Rake that hair through. Doesn't it look so beautiful? Her hair, gray hair is just like so amazing. Go ahead and grab it all up. Turn it, turn it, turn it. Wait, I lost a lock. Okay, I'm back to twirling. And again, I'm gonna let the twirl take its mind of its own. Okay, it's coming down, but it needs a little bit of assistance. So I'm twirling, I'm twirling. Ooh, that left hand really had to help me. And then I'm gonna tuck. And you see how clean that motion was? Bam, there you go. Where my 3-inch, okay, 3-inch. Come help me out. My 3-inch is just really gonna hold it nice and tight in place. And bam, that 3-inch is looking perfect. Okay, we are just, first of all, I look super cute. My hair was like freshly dyed. I loved it. All right, it's looking really, really cute. Back to her hair, taking my 3-inch pins and just pinning it where it needs to be pinned. Anything I might think something sticking out, I'm just gonna tuck it back in. I mean, look at those rolls, they look great. All right, bam, I'm on the top. Best part. Go ahead and start twirling and let the twirl guide you down, down. Bring it around. Oh, nah. Looks good. Tuck, tuck, tuck. Gotta tuck. Gotta tuck those pieces in. Bam, put it behind her hair. Yep, put it behind that bun. Move it up. And that left hand's really holding everything in place while my right hand does all the work, all the hard work. And then what do I need? My 3-inch pins. Oh yeah, my models do hand me the pins. That's how I roll. And then I'm just gonna keep pinning it in place. I mean, it looks already perfect. She looks perfect. Look at her. Okay, auntie, where are you going? Whose holiday party you going to? Okay, you already have, are you in your 3rd style, looking fabulous. Yes, nails, hair done, okay? Yeah, she looks great. I'm super excited. Yes. Okay, I'm back, and I'm doing the NappStar Signature Updo. This is gonna be our 4th look of the day. I mean, come on, I had to save the best for last. Look how cute we look, by the way. We're matching. We look great. Let's get into it. Ooh, look at that hair. Oh my gosh. I had to just give you a little teaser. Okay, so first things first is I'm gonna start flat twisting towards the right. And when I flat twist, bam, I know I'm gonna move really fast, guys. It's just what I do. But go ahead, you see those? I'm going in a line. I'm wrapping them around, grabbing, wrapping around. Then I'm gonna wrap around what I just did, going up. The key here is going up. Even though you might see it fall because I'm moving fast, grabbing everything from the left, I'm sorry. And then, okay, see what I just did? Wrapped it around 2 times, bam, put it up. Grabbing from my right, go ahead and grab those locks. Twirl them around each other, flat twist it, bam, bam, bam. I'm so fast, I know y'all. And then move up. Perfect, grab from the left, put it around, grab again, put it around. That looks really, really good. Okay, now let's go up. That looks great. And you see how I'm just grabbing in a line? And notice I left the front down. Okay, grabbing, put it behind. Bam, You see, it's already shaping. This is like my favorite updo in the whole wide world. Grab from my left-hand side. I'm working in a line. And now I'm twirling, moving it behind. And you see how there's no gaps in my twirl? My twirl on the bunish thing going up, yep. Grab, grab, grab. Grab it, flat twist it, wrap it around, wrap it around, wrap it around. Bam, and everything is going up, guys. I mean, that's like the whole point. You're doing an updo. Grab the hair, wrap it around, wrap it around. Ooh, that was some chunky pieces I just grabbed. Okay, grab it, wrap it around. Bam, looks amazing. Now what? I'm gonna grab another 2 pieces. Okay, wrap it around. And then notice again, guys, I definitely left some of the front out. I just stayed in the back while I was doing this because I'm gonna need those front pieces to go up. All right, so I'm grabbing now from the left-hand side. Grab it, grab it, grab it. Flat twist it, I should say. Flat twist. Twirl, twirl, and then move forward around like the bunish thing going up. Yep. All right, now we're gonna work on the sides. Okay, see how I left the sides out just so the sides can come straight up? Because I need that height. I need the sides to like take me up where I need to go. All right, so I'm going, and I'm only gonna show you, I think, ooh, I did do the left-hand side, perfect. All right, so now, yes, and I move my people, okay? Now I gotta grab and start flat twisting, start flat twisting, and follow that hand. Yes, follow. And you see how everything is just so beautiful. They're all in straight lines. Twirl it and wrap it back around and wrap it back around. Yes, beautiful, beautiful. Keep going, keep going. Don't give up, guys. Bam. Her hair is just so phenomenal. I can't stop saying that. And then now I'm gonna move everything out of her face. I'm gonna grab, you see how I part, like anytime I grab a piece of hair, I look at the line that where I'm gonna go up at. And then I go up, take it around back. Again, I'm in a line going up with my flat twist. So I kind of section where I'm gonna go and then go up and then bring it around back. Bring it around back. It's looking good. Bring it around back. Perfect. All right, now I'm at the front. I already went ahead and just pinned the back pompadour, and now I'm doing the front pompadour. So it's really important that you always style your client from the front. So I'm gonna walk in front of her, and I'm gonna rake all her hair up. I'm all about raking, right? Rake it up, and then fold where you feel good, and really make sure you have a good grasp on that fold. Bring forward, and start tucking and rolling. And you see when I tuck, it's already neat, it's already perfect. That really minimizes how much work you have to do when you're done. And you see she's already handing me a 3-inch pin. She knows what time it is. Yes, and then I'm gonna start pinning. Ignore the hair face, you guys. I make crazy faces when I do hair. Okay, so she's handing it to me. I'm making crazy faces, I'm sorry. But she looks gorgeous. So I'm pinning, and you see I don't have to do too much pinning because the tuck was so good. And now it's all done. She looks amazing. Look at that. Look at that pompadour. Oh, so good. I'm so impressed. She looks amazing. All 4 styles were slayed. Great and easy holiday styles. Which one are you picking? Drop a comment below. Let me know. This is just, it's so good. She looks amazing, guys. This one is my favorite. This is our signature updo, and I love it so much. And I'm just so glad she was able to come and be my model today. Yes, love it. And today I used our edge brush to do her edges. I used our retwist comb, the peppermint rose oil, and then of course I used our 3-inch clips and our rubber band. So those are all the products I used today. Thanks, guys.